So I don't normally do these types of videos, but I have a special package from Osee, and I thought this would be the perfect time to start doing these type of videos. I currently have the Osee 22S, and then they released the 22S4, which has some amazing features, but let me just get into the unboxing and then we can get into the features later. Okay, so this is the first look. Let's see what's in the back. And we have a sun hood. Always handy to have. It comes with like this foam, pre-built foam that you can actually put into a Peli case, which is actually very handy, and it's what I will be doing. And this is the brand new Osee S22. It's built well. It's super heavy. V-lock plate. 3 SDI inputs, 1 out. 3 HDMI inputs, 1 out. USB-C for calibrating the monitor. So you don't actually need to put it onto a computer. You can just calibrate it straight away. And this mount is actually really cool because it means you can mount it vertically or horizontally on the same pin, which is amazing. Let's put that down there. We've got here a little pin to lock it to a C-stand. Got the power, and in here looks like the mount. Yeah, this looks like, oh, it's actually a gold mount, so you can switch it out. That's cool. So you've got a gold mount or a V-lock plate, which is super handy. Ah, okay, that's a nice little pocket for it. Didn't see that. And this is our mount, where you can pop it in a C-stand, which way you want, basically, whichever way you're shooting. Okay, amazing. I got it with the screen protector built in, just because when you're on set, everyone's dirty fingers always seem to touch the screen, which annoys the hell out of me. But I'm just gonna say, yeah, so I mean, I absolutely love the build quality. It is so rugged and it feels great. And when I saw the price of it online initially, it had my curiosity, and then when I saw the specs, it had my attention. So what I'll be doing is releasing another video soon with all the specs that I really like about it. So stick around for that, and I'll see you in the next one.